Hello everyone. In this video, I will share you a unique and special quick bread recipe, orange and chia seeds bread. This bread tastes so good. I saw this bread for the first time in a breakfast buffet at a hotel. I loved it so much and I tried it at home. It turned out so good. Today I'm very excited to share this delicious orange chia seeds quick bread recipe with you all. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support the channel. Here I share recipes from many years of my cooking experience, from friends, family and my own kitchen experiments. I love to replicate unique and interesting recipes which I come across. The goal is to make your home plate more delicious with simple and easy cooking. Let's start with the dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. Next, let's make a fresh orange juice. I have taken 3 oranges. Let's peel the skin and put it in a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. Strain it and extract the juice. Here I have taken 1 stick of room temperature butter, 3/4 cup of sugar. Combine the butter and sugar very well. This step is very important. Make sure the butter should be at room temperature. It should not be too cold or runny like oil. Look at this. It has combined very nicely and you can see this grainy texture. This is how it should turn out. Next, I am adding 2 eggs. Beat the eggs very well. Look at this, how beautifully the batter is turning into golden color. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now freshly grate some orange zest. This is just the skin of the orange. It gives a beautiful aroma to the bread. Next, I am adding about 1/3 cup of orange juice which we had made earlier. You can add more juice later depending on the batter consistency. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients mixture. Use a spatula and fold in nicely until everything combined together. You can see how beautifully it is coming together. Next, I am adding the king of this recipe, the chia seeds. This gives a wonderful grainy texture on the bread. I absolutely love this part. Gently fold in. This looks perfect. Let's pour this into our bread baking pan. I am lining the baking pan with butter paper to make it easier to remove the bread once it is baked. Pour in the batter and spread it evenly. Bake this in a preheated oven at 350°F or 180°C for about 40 minutes. Look at this, how beautifully it has turned out. I love this golden orangish color. It smells amazing. Let me cut a slice of it and show you how beautifully it is baked inside and how lovely the chia seed texture looks. Enjoy this amazing orange chia seeds bread with a cup of coffee for your breakfast or as a snack. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.